What is up, guys? Now you're probably wondering, what do you mean, Foxy Boy? What do you mean? Yes, the title is correct. I'm going to show you guys how to make videos like me. Now, so it's pretty simple. All you really need to do is download Steam. Now, I can't fully remember how you download Steam. I just remember, like, I don't think you can just straight up download it from Chrome. I mean, you might be able to, I don't know. But, don't search up Steam and Chrome and then go to their website that way. I don't think it works that way. You have to, like, go the official app, which is not that hard. You just gotta, find it there. I honestly don't remember that part, but I'm sorry. Look, I hope you guys already have Steam or something. So, then you go to the Steam store. Here, I'll show you guys. Here. I'm gonna turn off game capture. Now, this is for OBS. That'll come later. So, open up Steam. Once you get it, you open it up. All the stuff. And then, if you want to get Garry's Mod, you go to the store. And then, well, yeah, you have to search up Garry's Mod. But I think it's like $10. I already have it, so it's not going to tell me. Also, shut up, I don't have over 2,000 hours on Garry's Mod. But, yeah, so that's what you have to do. And then, once you get Garry's Mod, in order to get add-ons, saw me over there a second ago, you go to workshop, type in, all caps, whoops. Alright, and then once you're in here, you just type in, like, I don't know, if you want the models I use for Fighting His Friends right now, you would search up, like, FNAF, UMFP, no, wait, I got the F and the M mixed up, it's FM. Yep, there we go. So these guys you need to get all 4 of these things in order to do all that stuff. Once you do that, once you get all that stuff, I don't know if you want a map or something, you just if you want the map I use for their pizzeria, you just search up Freddy Pizza Daytime. And then you click off a model. See, whenever you want a ragdoll, you have to click on model. If you're looking for just a ragdoll, click on model. Looking for effect, click on effect. Looking for a map, click on map. And then here, this is the one I use, so this one you would want to find. And then, yeah, that's basically it. And then, if I don't know, if you wanted the ultimate pack with, like, all the wizards and everything, all the other people, you would have to search up FNAF Ultimate Pack, or, no, just FNAF Ultimate's fine. And then you click off map, click on model, and then, yeah, this. But if in order to find it properly, you'd have to click on the materials, and then click on this, and then you can download it, like, this way. So, yeah. That's how you do that. Pretty simple. And, yeah, so that's how you do all that stuff. Now, once you have all that ready, OBS settings, pretty simple. How to get OBS, we're gonna go over this right now. So you search up OBS, alright? You just straight up search it up. And then here, I'll show you guys again, OBS. And then once you find it, you click on Open Broadcaster Software. This one specifically, alright? Click on it. Also, OBS only works for Windows, Mac, and whatever that is. Linux, whatever. Only works for that, alright? So if you don't have a PC that's either one of these 3, sorry, it's probably not going to work. Now, but if you do, then you want to go to download installer, and then it'll, like, load up, and then it'll ask you, do you want to save changes, or it'll change your device, do you want that, or whatever. You press yes, and then you'll have to keep pressing, like, next, like, finish, and then boom, got OBS. Alright, and then after that, oh, don't mind that, you go to here, you open up OBS, and, like, here, let's go to this one. So, boom. Alright, so what you want to get is display capture, game capture, audio input capture, and audio output capture. These are the main 4 you're going to need in order to make proper ones. Like, in order to get these, because, like, whenever you first, like, start it, nothing will be here. You just click on the plus, and then, you just click on them that way. Boom. And then, for audio input, you gotta make sure it's set to the microphone you have. Also, you're gonna need a proper microphone. Got it? You're gonna need a proper one. I have the Blue Yeti stereo microphone. It is a beautiful microphone. You should definitely use it. It's a great microphone. But anyways, next up, what you want to do is you would want to, how do I explain this? Once you have OBS open, you get all this stuff, you make sure it's set to your proper microphone. I'm just giving you a simple overall thing of what to do. And then settings, in order to properly record, you're gonna need to go hotkeys. And then you just click on it, press any key on your keyboard that you want, and then boom, start recording, stop recording, pause recording, unpause recording. Yeah, pretty simple. So that's basically that, and then cancel. And then what you want to do is, well, I mean, that's the overall. But then sorry, I'm off track today. Then what you want to do is, once you get all your hotkey stuff ready, all that, then what you want to do is you want to go to Garry's Mod. So, because you got it. And then go to Garry's Mod. Boom. And then, yeah, you're here. And then, in order to spawn in ragdolls, you just, because it'll show up like this or something like that. You can find add-ons, press the plus, and then all your add-ons show up, okay? And then, add-ons legacy is all the stuff that was, privately set to me. This is Overshadow right here. Or his model. So there's him. I had to add his materials, but there's him, made by Black Blob. Beautiful. And then, FNAF 6 people. Anyways, so basically, next up is making your physics gun invisible. Now, let me turn on the HUD. So basically, how to make your physics gun invisible, you want to press on a certain key on your keyboard. I was making sure you could see my screen. Oh, hang on, I need to fix that. Okay, yeah, sometimes your screen might be zoomed in, but don't worry, you can easily fix that. It's not that hard. But anyways, so once you're doing all that, what you want to do is, alright, so this is the simple thing. All you have to do is just press a certain button. On my keyboard, it's right next to, the 1 button. Here. I can show you it right now, actually. Once I find it, I'm trying to remember where I put it. I had an image of my specific keyboard. Ah, here. This is the image. Whoa. Okay, that's just a white void. Hang on, don't worry. Shrinking it down, stupid thing. Okay, so here's my keyboard right here. Okay, this is not my exact, not literally mine, but this is basically what my keyboard is. So what you want to do is you want to click on the key, here. Hang on, let me zoom it in more. You can't even see my mouse, but it's the one right next to the 1 button, not 2. The one right before that, the one with the little dot or comma thing, and then you got the little swirl right there above it. It's literally right next to the 1 button, not the what. Okay, not the one at the top. Not the white, 1, 2, 3. I'm talking about the ones under it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The one next to it. Click on that in Garry's Mod. All right, that's what you do. So yeah, once you do that, you'll have this. Then, now, for anything, you gotta type in SV_cheats1. And then, once you're done doing that, you gotta type in lowercase r _draw, and type it in exactly how I do it. Draw view model space 0. Boom. Physics gun is gone. So that's the simple part of it. But yeah. Give me a quick second. Okay. Now, so basically what you have to do is that. So once you do that, but also, here's the thing. If you want your physics gun to be fully invisible, you're gonna have to go to here. Also, I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure there's a certain add-on you need in order for this apply model to show up. That's what you need. So, I'm sorry, I don't know what that add-on's called, but if you manage to find out that, you would go to physics gun color, and then you would put it all the way down here. So that way, it's black, and then once you put it invisible, it goes to completely invisible, and there's no, like, glow effect. Alright? That's what you do. And then, what you want to do after that is pretty simple. So, after that, you just, remember how I showed you about the hotkeys? Well, basically, you just press, like, the key you chose as your start recording, and then, pretty simple. All you have to do is just, like, press it, and then, you start off with, like, also, if you want to zoom in, you just hold in B, but if you want to fully zoom in, you would have to go, also, if you want to turn off your HUD or the health bar thing, you just simply go to drawing, HUD, boom, gone. But yeah, also, all these things might be checked, like freeze, unfreeze, grab halo, physics gun beams, get rid of all that. Alright, uncheck all of that. Like, basically, make it to where the point where it's exactly like mine. Because mine is like the way you would want it. Okay? Just make sure that. Now, the HUD, you can choose if you want that on or not. I mean, like, I'm saying, well, you can choose what you want to do about anything. I'm saying if you want to do it properly, that's how you do it. Now, after that, also, if you press V, that's V-clip. That's how you V-clip through the map. And then, if you want to, like, change an add-on, like a ragdoll skins or whatever, you hold in C, and then you right-click. Not left-click, but right-click. And then you press, and then you hover over body groups, and then you, like, I don't know, click on his mask. He'll change his mask. Whoa, very scary. But, yeah, so let's say I wanted to get rid of his jaw, which, for some reason I can't do. How about that? Oh, God. Bro's looking like Mysterio. Let's see here. Oh. I got rid of Freddy's endo head. Alright. But yeah, that's how you do that. And then, if you press Z, hang on. It despawns the last thing you spawn in. And then, in order to crouch, you hold in Control. Pretty simple. In order to run, you hold in Shift as you're holding in W, because, WASD, that's, self-explanatory. Now, after that, you're basically good. So, I prefer to V-clip whenever I'm doing my role plays, but whenever you're doing that, you, like, I don't know, like, do this, and then, also, if you want to zoom in more, you just go to the camera, and then you just go, like, oh, you have to hold in right-click, and then you, like, move your mouse up and down, and then it'll start doing this. Pretty cool. Anyways, so I just prefer to use B whenever I'm like zooming in like this, and then whenever you're doing that, I just press the key to start recording, and I'm like, har 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 Bonnie, you're stupid. How dare you? Har 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 har, get slapped. Yup. Anyways, and then you press the stop recording button. Simple. And also, if you want to pause, you just press the pause one and then the unpause whenever you're ready. It's that simple. And yeah. So after that, you're basically good. Now, there's obviously more complicated stuff, like sometimes it might not work or something, like something's going off with yours. That is a simple tutorial. Okay, that's like if it works for you, and like you don't have to, everything that you did that I just told you to do work just fine, you're good. But if you're having like problems with it or something ain't working, you're gonna have to figure that out from like another tutorial or something. Just search up like the problem you're having or whatever. And yeah, so that's the self-explanatory thing of how to make videos like me. So just simplified. And also, if you want to learn how to make proper streams, get this tutorial video to 30 likes, and I will do that. Now, also, if you want to see, like, how I make my thumbnails, comment down below if you want to see that. And then, yeah. So, yeah, there's him. Whoa. But yeah, that's all. So that's main stuff, like, oh, that's mainly what you gotta do. And yeah, so that's the self-explanatory part. Now, I hope y'all guys found this useful. And I mean, if you ever wanted to make videos, you can. Now, I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye. Get this to 30 likes if you want to see how I make streams properly. So, yeah. Bye.